my life, I've been grinding all my life, yeah, they sleep, press the snooze, hit the lights, okay, we taking flight, to be here was a fight, that's why all my life.
Hey, all my go-getters, welcome back to my channel. To all the newbies, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to become a part of the grinding gains. Over here, we like to do what? Get it, ayy, get it, ayy. Well, on today's video, we are going to talk about what you should do if an account is deleted off of your credit, but then add it back. So in this particular situation, it is very important that you have a folder, a binder, or something where you are able to keep all of the correspondence that you're receiving from the credit bureaus, the debt collectors, as well as the creditors. So there is a law, the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Section 611, that protects you as a consumer from allowing the credit bureaus to just add accounts back to your credit. So this particular law states that they should notify you in writing within 5 days of the account being deleted. Or added back, I'm sorry. So what happens is 99% of the time,
they don't do that at all. They're hoping that you're not paying attention. That's what they're hoping.
But here, I'm going to teach you the right way and what not to do. So then that way, when they try you like this, you're prepared and you know exactly what to do. So you're going to write the letter and you're just pretty much going to tell them, hey, here is proof. And you're going to send a copy, not your original, but a copy of the investigation results that you received showing that the account was deleted. So you'll just send that in with your letter and just basically say, hey, I noticed that this account was originally deleted on this date, file number so-and-so, but I noticed that it has been added back. I was not notified that this was going to happen. Delete from my account. And normally that will get it taken care of. They'll delete it off of your account. Now, there may be some instances where the credit bureau may be a little stubborn and they're like, no, not happening, not deleting it. Well, in that case, you do have the option of contacting a credit attorney, in which they can go ahead and assist you with suing the credit bureaus, being that they have basically they broke the law and violated your rights. This next tip is going to be the gem. So another option that you have is you can contact the CFPB, which is a Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and you can file a complaint against the credit bureau, basically stating the same thing. And once you do that, you will attach the original investigation results that show that it was deleted, and then you would also send the information that you submitted to the credit bureau stating that you realize what had happened with that particular account or accounts. And they normally give them about 15 days to investigate and get back with you. Now, in some cases, they could get up to 30 days. So as a recap, you will contact the credit bureau directly to try to handle it with them. If they're not willing to work with you, then you will contact the CFPB to file a complaint. If that doesn't work, then lastly, you will contact a credit attorney to see about actually suing the credit bureau. Well, thank you so much for staying to the end and watching the full video. I will see you next time.